To fix the issues that your students may be having with their notebooks not syncing properly, they're going to need to relaunch their notebooks. So the first thing they need to do is to open up OneNote, and they need to actually close any notebooks that are not syncing properly, and that's usually indicated by a red X. So they right-click on the name of the notebook and go to close this notebook, and that will make the notebook disappear. It doesn't delete it, it just makes OneNote forget it. Then what they need to do is they need to log into Office 365 using a different browser. Normally they use Firefox because when they click on this application here and click on 365, it will automatically default to Firefox. But they're going to have to use a different browser because Firefox is going to hold on to some old information that may prevent them from launching their notebooks. So we're going to go over to Edge, which I already have open. And when they go over to Edge, they're going to relaunch the notebook the same way they do at the beginning of the school year. So they're going to go into OneDrive. They should not click on any notebooks that show up at the bottom where it says recent. That is not going to have the appropriate link that they need to get to. They must go through OneDrive, and when they click on OneDrive, they will go over to shared again. And when they click on shared, it's the same process. They're going to put a check mark next to the notebook that they need to relaunch. So if we go down to the notebook that I just had open, we'll just pick one here, check mark it, and then we are going to launch it by clicking open in OneNote. So we click yes on this, click yes, and then the notebook should start to sync down. If it doesn't and the student gets a permission error, or when they click on the notebook they get an error in the browser that says something like 404 error, they may need to try another browser. They need to launch these notebooks on a browser they have never used before in terms of launching their notebooks. So if Edge doesn't work, they can go over to Google Chrome and they can try launching their notebooks there. There is no shortcut to Office 365 from within Edge or from within Chrome. So you can tell the students to go to office.com and they can sign in using their Office 365 credentials from there.